Sure, you own your home, but do you own how you power your home? Think about it. If you're powering your home through a utility company, your utility bill is subject to increases that are beyond your control. Going solar ensures that you lock in a fixed rate today, while rates from electric utility companies will continue to climb for decades to come. And in many cases, when combined with available tax credits and incentives, the monthly cost of solar is often less than your utility bill. So you can see instant savings when you make the switch to solar. You've locked in your home's mortgage payment. Now it's time to lock in your home's energy payment and protect yourself from energy inflation by going solar. Meeting with the solar consultant makes going solar a breeze. First, you'll review why you want to go solar. Whether it's to save money, save the planet, or just make sure your power never goes out, your consultant will customize a solution specifically for you. Together, you'll review the specs of your home. We're talking roof square footage, hours of sun exposure, and electricity usage. Then you'll go over financing options and any available tax credits and incentives to help you save even more. And lastly, you'll get the lowdown on the entire installation process from design and permitting to construction and inspection, so you can feel confident moving forward. Why do we need your utility bill? It's simple. The more we know about your past electricity usage, the more accurate your solar estimate will be. Understanding your energy usage allows us to generate a more precise cost-benefit analysis and design a custom solar solution that will meet your specific needs. We'll use insights from your utility bill to understand your service agreements, electricity rates, processes for net metering, and any essential regulatory details you might not be aware of. Knowing more about your current and past electricity usage helps us generate a more accurate solar estimate and ensure you're getting a future-proof solar solution designed with your energy needs in mind.